little boy. I look like a man.
How?
With my short hair and these little bits.
What? You're the sexiest little boy ever. I didn't realize I was
Alright, good morning everyone. It is the last day in Port Barton and today we are doing another boat tour similar to the one we did in El Nido, but this one is like a party boat tour. So there's free drinks for the whole thing, and then on top of that we're doing like the whole snorkeling thing, islands, beaches, stuff like that. Anyway, see you on the boat. Woo!
Just a warm up now.
All our stars are falling beneath the pale moon sky. I can't help but notice all the songbirds that make me cry.
The water!
Oh, I've fallen and I must stay here for approximately
Don't pee right there!
What are you looking at? Hello.
Hello.
We are drunk. How many drinks did you have on the boat when I was?
Only one.
Only one.
We are currently walking
On the beach.
to the other side of the island to chill on the beach.
Try to tell you how I feel inside. You make my bones shake and my heart runs wild. Just to feel like love is real. So I try to write about it, but the words just don't come. I wanna tell you.
Alright.
We're drunk and tired.
Alright, we just had our first stop on like...
Second.
Oh yeah, first stop was a snorkel spot. That was amazing, best snorkeling we've done in Asia so far. And then we just stopped at an island and we walked to the other side of the island to this nice beach. It was so blue, the sand was white, and there was like coconut trees. It was amazing. And now we're gonna have lunch on the boat.
Ooh, food.
Food, we're starving.
We've got
Wow.
fish, we've got chicken, we've got pork, we've got, I don't know how is it called, but you know what I mean?
Squid.
And squid, vegetables.
We eat now?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Go there.
Take a look in my eyes. Take a look, take a glimpse of my mind. Take a look, feel it on your heartstrings. Feel the pull, no one's understanding. Take a grip of falling.
That's all, look how cute
Living
it
isn't
is.
falling. I'm living with the meaning.
Look at all its back legs.
And you're looking at me. I'm looking at you. And you're looking at me. Take a look, feel it is a freedom. System down, no one needs a reason. All this time, spin around beside me. All this time,
Holy shit, cute. We're currently on literally an island. But yeah, look at the island, it's sick. I think we should start a rave. Don't you reckon? We were playing drinking games before, but I think we should start a rave now.
We need to play. We need to play.
The way that you touch me is exciting. I'm wrapped up and you can't deny it. Can't stop loving you and all the things you do.
Alright, we have just got off the boat and now we are going to go to a bar, play some beer pong, meet lots of people. Yeah.
Do you want to say anything or?
Hello. Good morning, everyone. I'm really extremely hungover. Today we were meant to leave Port Barton, but we are now staying an extra day because I don't want to do anything. I'm just going to sit here and watch shows all day, and that's literally it. So nothing else to film today except this.
Many hours later.
Guys, I did it. I got out of
Oh
bed.
yeah. Been in bed all
I'm
day.
in bed all day.
The sun is burning our skin.
Like horrible. And I even summoned up enough courage to drink a smoothie or a milkshake, and it was really good. But yeah, we are on the beach. It's our last night here and we are watching the sunset.
Very sad to be
It's very
coming
nice.
home.
I know. Our trip is coming to an end. So sad. Not yet though, not yet. We've still got a couple more days. But yeah, we're just here watching the sunset. Alright, so we've just arrived in Puerto Princessa. I hate the place. Yeah, so we took a bus here this morning. Now we're in Puerto Princessa in our sex hotel.
Welcome to our final room. It's beautiful, this place. Our final room here is in a love hotel. There's signs out the front where you pay for like the hour or 3 hours. We've got the whole night in here. Slightly worried about what kind of substances we might be sleeping on.
This was the sign that was in our room, and I don't know why we have to beware of any stains. Blood stain, oil stain, coffee, vomiting, like what? And also, since when have we ever had to be told not to spit and vomit inside the bedroom? It was crazy.
But aside from that, it was the cheapest place in Princess. Eloise is not happy about it.
No, I'm not happy at all. I actually feel so uncomfortable.
It's fine. I'm sure the bed sheets are clean. Although we do have some blood on our sheets, but I'm sure it's dry and...
No. Actually, it feels so gross, and there's no windows in here. I don't know how we accidentally booked a fucking sex hotel.
But there's aircon on the bright side. It's not hot.
I'm in a prison cell, look at this. This is the only window in the whole place. This is the bathroom. Oh my
Would you like to
god.
join me?
No. Oh, I don't like this. I feel claustrophobic. It is so bad. I can't believe this has happened. Anyway, it feels so dingy in here and like uncomfortable and gross. So we're gonna leave. Well, no, we're still gonna stay here, but we're just gonna like not hang out here at all. I think we're gonna go get some breakfast in a nice cafe, and then maybe rent a motorbike and then just like explore Puerto Princessa all day, and then come back here as late as possible, sleep, get it over and done with, and then tomorrow morning we're actually flying to Manila. So thank God we're only here for one night. We can do it. I'll see you when we do something exciting. Declan, what are you eating?
Balut?
Can you explain what it is?
It's like fertilized egg. Chicken's over here. Let me get the chicken. That's the chicken head.
You are crazy. Good morning, everyone. I'm so tired. We are in Manila Airport and we actually slept here last night. Declan's still asleep, is what he looks like. Fast asleep. Oh. Yes, I do have pants on my head to block the light. Yeah, so what happened was we got a bus from Port Barton to Puerto Princessa because we knew we had to fly out of there, and we're only there for one night, which was in our sex dungeon.
Final call for warning for the last Hong Kong passengers.
It's alright, I didn't want to speak anyway. Yeah, so we spent one night in the sex dungeon, and then the next day we had like the whole day in the city. We kind of just like, I don't know, explored. We got a bike, drove around the city, went op shopping, which was a lot of fun, super cheap. It was amazing. And then late that night, we took a flight from Puerto Princessa to Manila, and then we arrived here at like midnight. So we slept in the airport overnight last night. So yeah, that's the current situation. So we've got till midday in the airport. Probably gonna get some coffee, probably write in my journal. Ooh, maybe I'll give you guys a little thrift haul of all the things I bought. That was a good one. Okay, I'm going to show you everything that I bought from the op shop. First thing is this plain turtleneck. It says croc or croco. Yeah, it's very basic, but I don't know, it was really cheap. This one was, how much was it?
Like $1.
It was like less than $1. So yeah, can we talk about my outfit, my airport outfit? What am I wearing? Okay, I'm low on washing. I have nothing left. And
Censor that, censor that.
can you see the hole?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm wearing black shorts underneath. But yeah, item number 1. Item number 2, I got this denim skirt. I just like all the red details on it. This is the back. However, I am going to cut it. I'm going to cut it short because it's like awkward long. I got this. It is a skirt with shorts underneath. So that means I can do cartwheels whenever I want, and I can slut drop on the dance floor without exposing myself. This one was also under $1. And then the last thing I got was this little cargo skirt, also under $1. Oh, I just realized I got 3 skirts. Cool. Yeah, that's the end of the haul.
Andamos de paso bajo luna, Felenco con la botella, dame una. Andamos gritando en la tribuna, Cuando yo te vi pasando a la una, No entiendo, dije casi nada. Solo bailamos con la mirada. Solo
Recall the car.
acelerada. Y ahora ya la
Our last flight home.
lo siento, después tengo que
So tough.
Dan's currently
Hate sleeping.
testing out a few different plane sleeping positions.
So tough.
Rate this position 1 out of 10.
I'm trying a few different ones. We've got. What else have we got? This one. Go on.
Just gonna say we're nearly home.
Almost.
After 2 days, 2 nights.
Henzo, our beautiful friend, is waiting to pick us up.
I'm so glad.
I know.
Don't tell anyone. We haven't showered in way too long. I'll change our underwear.
Woo! Declan, you get in the front. Thanks for getting us, Henzo. We really appreciate it.
Cuando nos veremos, no.